This is the Honda EU7000is generator. Today's video will be showing how to replace the battery. As a reminder, this unit has two ways to start it, either a push to start or a pull cord in case the battery gets discharged. Here's the original OEM Honda battery from the factory. We're taking note of the terminal orientation for the new battery as well as a similar amp hour rating. We start by removing the cover with a Phillips head screwdriver to access the battery compartment. Then we gently pull away the rubber strap from the retainer. After this, we remove the screws holding the leads to the battery terminals. This came with a trickle charger attachment, which will be changed out for a new style. Here's the new battery, similar size, same voltage, and similar amp hour rating. Noting positive on the left, negative on the right, just as the original. Now we'll test for voltage. Using our voltmeter, turn the dial to the 20 range for DC volts. Measuring voltage across the battery, 13 volts is a good reading for this new battery. This is the Noco Genius 1 charger we'll be using with this generator to keep our battery topped off at all times. Out of the box, we have two main parts: the charger, which plugs directly into a wall outlet, and through a connector, the clamps which attach to the battery. Note, the terminals on the clamps could be removed for a permanent installation. Here's a close-up of one of the clamp terminals with the screw removed. For the sake of today's installation, we'll be removing both clamps and installing the terminals directly onto the battery. Here the battery is now inside the compartment. We'll be installing the rubber strap and tightening the supplied screws to the terminals for the generator and the charger. Now the charger is attached to the battery. Everything is tight and ready to be tested. Now we'll see if the generator can start with the new battery. Success! The generator has started. Now we'll verify battery voltage is increasing as the generator runs to recharge the battery. Now let's plug in the charger and see how it operates. Once we have it plugged in, push the mode button to select the proper battery type. For today's installation, the battery type is an AGM. As the charger is charging the battery, the light will pulse red. Once the battery is finished charging, the light will pulse green. Here we can see the battery voltage is increasing through the display on the screen of the generator. Now the charger is complete with charging the battery, and it will now trickle charge and maintain the voltage. This is the complete installation of the new battery in this generator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time only on Arizona Camp Life.